Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
If your AirPods don't appear in Bluetooth lists, first ensure they're charged and in pairing mode. Open the case near your device and hold the button on the back until the light flashes white. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, then search again. Still not showing? Forget old AirPods and Bluetooth settings and reset your AirPods by holding the button until the light turns amber, then white. This usually fixes connection glitches.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.